Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Bella Branch DIY and you're watching Hometalk.
So you're going to grab some garden pots that are plastic and some small basketballs. You can improvise with some other supplies you have, but this is what I'm using. I grabbed a red garden pot, which was very easy. Otherwise, you can grab some spray paint and paint another color pot, whatever you find. My home for the holidays is Grinch inspired, so it's Whoville. So I'm going to make these bells look like they were in a Dr. Seuss book. So I'm grabbing some black paint because I'm going to outline this bell, and you'll see that I'm making some lines on the side because that's what you would see on a regular bell, and I'm going to do this in 3 sections. Then I'm going to make some highlights, so we're going to add some little black in different areas, and this is going to give an illusion of a highlight. And then we're going to grab some white, and we're going to strategically put the white in different areas to make it look highlighted also. And the whole goal is to make this look Dr. Seussish. Now on this project, if you want, you don't have to make yours look like this. You could just leave it completely red, and that may go better with your decor, but you'll see at the end that mine is the Grinch, and this works perfectly. And these are really big pots. You can use any kind of size that you want. Then I grabbed some basketballs because these seemed to be perfect for me. They were already red and another contrasting color, and then I'm just going to add highlights to them. And if you can't find basketballs in the size you want, you can use ornaments, whatever that works better for your DIY when you're making your special bells. And then after I add the white highlights throughout this, which looks cool, I am going to add some string so that I can hang these inside of the bell. So you're going to grab some twine, some really long twine, because it has to be able to hang outside the bottom a little bit of your pot when you're hanging it inside, and you're going to wrap that around the ball. And you're going to do it on each ball until you get it nicely snug. Be sure to double knot it, but we're going to make it extra secure with some hot glue. So I'm going to grab my glue gun and put a big blob of glue where the connection points are, and then grab any cardboard or anything and kind of wipe it across so it makes it really solid. And then it makes it stick really well. And I like to use Gorilla Glue hot glue. And after we do that, we are going to drill some holes in the top of our pots. And be very gentle with this so that you don't crack it. And then we're going to grab some washers and a hook. But first we're going to thread our basketball through to make it look like a bell. And we're going to see the length that we want. So see how it hangs out a little? That's perfect. Then we are going to knot this and leave a little opening of the knot because that's where we're going to thread in our closed hook. We're going to grab a washer or 2, and then we're going to push the hook through, turn that until it's totally snug. And once we get it snug, we're going to flip over our pot, and we're going to add a few more washers and a nut, and we're going to secure that so that's totally tight. Repeat the process on all your bells. Look how cute this looks. I love how Dr. Seussy this is. Then I'm going to grab some rope and I'm going to tie that securely, and see how I tilted the bells so they're in the shape that I want, so they're hanging side by side. And I'm going to double knot that so it's totally tight and secure. Then I'm going to grab some ribbon, and you can use any color ribbon you want or any thickness. And because I like to use what I have, I had a lot of this ribbon. And you're going to see I'm going to make it look really cool at the end so that it makes it look more Dr. Seuss and Grinch-like. So I'm going to make that into a bow, and then I'm going to take another large piece and make another bow so that it makes it more floppy. Then I'm going to grab some white paint and I'm going to make some stripes on the bow. And this is going to add some extra texture. It's going to make it look really cute and whimsical. And then for me, I'm putting them at the top of my house, and I also added some lighting to make them illuminate at night, and it looks so cute. And I love the way these holiday bells turned out. They go so well with my other Grinch props that I've made.
Happy DIY!